Ready to take your shopping game to the next level and spread out those payments, even when you're shopping in person? First, open the Affirm app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. If you don't have the app, download it from your app store. It's free. Once you're in, tap on the Shop in Store button, usually found on the home screen or within the Wallet section of the app. Now, let's create that virtual card. You will have to input the amount you want to spend for in-store shopping. Once you have put the amount, tap the Generate Virtual Card button. You will then see your virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Next, add your virtual card to your digital wallet. Tap the Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Google Pay button, depending on your device, and follow the on-screen instructions. Time to shop. At the checkout, simply use your digital wallet as you normally would by tapping your phone on the payment terminal. And that's it. You've successfully used your Affirm virtual card in store. Shop smarter, not harder.